How's it going, YouTube? This is going to be a full review of this laser, weapon laser. It is a green weapon laser. I found it on Amazon.com. Comes in this little nifty box. Haven't even opened it up yet. Just got it in the mail. I think it was about $25 and some change from Amazon. I will put a link in the description below. So let's pop her open and see what we got here. I am a cheap ass. I will admit it. I am not going to pay $200 or $300 for a laser, just like I won't pay $200 or $300 for, a flashlight that goes on your rifle. So here is the user manual. Let's see here. Laser sights integrated with optics and electronics provide a wide field of view. No shit. They are very suitable for fast aiming and shooting at stationary and moving objects. No kidding. Anyways, here's what it looks like there. It's got a switch. There it shows it mounted to a scope. The operation, fix a laser sight to the on a weapon. Nice job fixing the typos there. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, I know. Never look directly into a laser beam. No shit, Sherlock. Alright, let's get rid of that. Let's look at what we got here. Okay, so here it is. It comes actually damn nicely packed here. So you got your rail attachment for your Picatinny rail. See if I can get that zoomed in there. There we go. I don't know if I like that. I might put a piece of E-tape over that. Shows it's got two parts where it locks on to your rail. There, those two parts, and then one center one that locks onto the actual body of the laser. We'll give it a shot. We'll see. For $25, here is the switch. The pressure switch. I dig it. And see what else we got in here. We got the battery. Comes with a battery. Of course, written in Chinese or Japanese. Panasonic CR123. See what we got here. This looks like a shotgun barrel attachment. Yep. And then we got the actual scope, laser scope, armed forces, laser sight module, and it's got two, windage and windage and elevation adjustments, and it actually has a switch on the back. Yep, it feels pretty good. It locks down and clicks pretty good for $25, man. Anyways, I will come back here in a second. I'll pop a battery in it and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here we are with the battery installed. I flipped it around the wrong way the first time, so got it in there good. Let me tell you, this sucker here it's bright. Wow, is that sucker bright. That thing is super duper bright. Actually, I'm pretty pleased for a $25 laser. Man, that sucker is super bright. And it looks like it'll be good, for up to 100 yards or so. Or probably more. Like I said, it's got a really nice engagement button on the back of it here. The only thing I just found out, these the windage and elevation controls, they are not just clicked by these outside. These are just covers. You open it up, and it's like a cheap scope where you need an Allen key to adjust the windage and elevation. But that's fine. I mean, these are just the covers. to keep them locked down. But oh, I forgot to mention, it actually does come with the included Allen key, and it comes with some Velcro, sticky Velcro for your switch. So I will get this mounted on my rifle, and then we'll take it out to the range, and then we'll see how she does. Okay, YouTube, so I just played around with this pressure switch here, and it is not working for me. There's like 2 contact points in here that have to be pressed at the same time in order for it to work, and I pressed both of them, and I even pressed one of them, and it's just not working. I'd have a buddy that's really good with electronics, so he'll probably be able to get it to work. I know the light is kind of bright on here, but there's one solder point there. Let me turn the flash off. There's one solder point on there, and it's really off center. So you might be able to solder on something a little bit better to contact the point of the battery or the switch. Will have to be looked at, but anyways, so pressure switch is junk. No biggie, 25 bucks, badass green laser. Alright, I'll get back with you. Hey there, YouTube. Alright, so I've got 2 different lasers here from Amazon. I'll show you which one you don't want and which one you do want. This one right here is the one you don't want. This guy right here with this thing on the front, it won't zero. It's got a very, very large dot on it. At about 10 feet away, this thing is about the size of a quarter dot. At about 30 feet away, it's the size of a softball. This laser here has a like little sunshade on it. This is the one you want. It's got a little dot, and it shines super far. This one, if you see this one on Amazon, don't buy this one. See this one on Amazon with the like little sunshade on it? Buy this one.
My shoulder hurt.